Hey you, and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to trade futures on Tradingview with Avatrade. So right now we are here on the Tradingview website and I will show you exactly what you need to do. So first of all, we click here on products and then super chart, and then he will send us right here to the chart. Then what you need to do right now is quite simple. Why is he not loading the chart? But hey, that doesn't matter. So right now we are here on the chart. And if we click here on trade, we need to search here on the search icon for Ava. Then right now we click on Ava Futures and click on connect. And then right now what you need to do is very simple, because you need to log in with your username and your password that you once created on the Avatrade broker. So after this you click on sign in and then everything will work perfectly. So this is how you can trade futures on the Tradingview site, and hopefully this was the video where you was looking for. Then from now, thanks for watching and have a wonderful day. Ciao!